Hi, I'm Paul Young. I'm the lighting director and chief engineer at LED Lights for You. Time and time again, I see the results of buying cheap, unreliable and poor performing LED lighting. One factory I went to, they told me that they'd never had an energy saving. Now, why was this? This was because the lighting wasn't suitable. The characteristics of LED lighting is very different to the lights that they replace. Therefore, to get best value, there are 5 things that you need to consider before choosing the replacement. So number 1, lumen value. First of all, you can measure to see what lux levels you need. And lux is the reflective light, and you need to be able to know what that is. So once you know what lux levels you need, you then have to work out what the lumen level of the lights is required, and we do something called a Dialux plan. That's a way you can tell whether you've got the right amount of lumen or lux levels. Number 2, beam angle. Now, beam angle of lights varies. What we go for, all our lights tend to be around about from around about 90 to 120 degrees. This means that you get more spread of light. The more spread of light you get, then the less units that you need to put in. Saves you money. Number 3, color. Now, color is measured in kelvins. For example, 4,000 to 5,000 kelvins is daylight. That's a daylight color. That's a sort of a very white, but it's ideal for offices, ideal for engineering, bench work, that sort of thing. If you're looking at high bays, then you're looking at a color which is probably 6,000. You want them 6,000 Kelvin. You want them as bright as possible, slightly bluey light, but it's very, very bright. So that's why you would use 6,000 K. Efficiency. Well, again, efficiency is, are you saving energy? Because that's most important. You must save energy, and by saving energy, you're saving money. So then your lights become valuable. Build life. Manufacturing quality controls and a warranty. Our warranty is up to 10 years, and of course we use TUV quality controls. Most important. So to conclude, 5 things you need to look at. And first of all is the lumen value, then there's the beam angle, and then there's the Kelvin, the color, and then coming down to whether you're saving energy and the build life. There's LED Lights for You. Thank you for watching.